Hey guys, this is Damon from Deco Exchange, and I want to show you guys how you can make a designer fall wreath with 6 simple pieces. Alright, so first thing we need is an oval grapevine. This is an 18-inch oval. You're going to want 2 pieces of greenery or foliage that you can use. And then you'll want 2 decorated stems ready to go. You can get these at DecoExchange.com, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, all those places, y'all. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is trim these stems down just a little bit. I'm going to use a stem cutter. If you don't have a stem cutter, you can grab some wire cutters, trim them down. Alright, we're going to focus this piece down here at the bottom. And just push it right into the grapevine. Now, if you're making this for your own door, you actually don't have to glue the pieces if you wedge them in there good. Then you can just take it apart and add new stems later. If you're going to sell this, make sure you hot glue all your stems intact. So we did one coming out the bottom. We'll do one coming out the top. We do want to try to keep these stems curved in the shape of the grapevine. Alright, then we'll take our top pieces, trim them down. So when I trim them, y'all, I trim off the skinny part, usually up until it starts getting a little bit thicker. Alright, we're going to do the same thing, layer it right on the bottom. And all we're doing is layering these 2 picks right on top of each other. That way it's nice and full. One quick tip is whenever you're adding the pieces into the grapevine is to do it at an angle. That way your sticks don't just come shooting out the back. So just trying to find a spot to work this into the grapevine. Alright, and now you have the base of your designer grapevine wreath ready for your front door. See how this one kind of stuck out the back? We're going to make sure we trim that off so it doesn't hit your door. You do not want to have that perfect front door, take off your wreath and have it all scratched up. Alright, we need a quick little bow. So for that, we will use our Easy Bow Maker. I'm going to go with a thin burlap, 14-inch tail, 6-inch loops. If you guys need great videos on making bows, check out our collection of bows right here on the channel. So 3 loops on both sides, making each loop slightly smaller. Grab a piece of floral wire. Get it nice and tight and wrapped off. Alright, nothing special. And let's get this added right into our bow. Now we're going to use this little piece of burlap to separate those 2 sunflowers. So just weave it right between the sunflowers. And get it tied off. So I'm gonna get those ribbon tails tucked in a little bit, get the sunflowers facing out. Y'all, and we now have a designer fall wreath in under 6 minutes. All right, that's it. Y'all have a good day.